Dr. Brett.
Hey, Ashley.
How can quarterbacks, when their team isn't listening, how do you regroup them?
Well, when the team isn't listening, I mean, that's a deeper issue, right? That's a locker room issue. You probably lost the locker room, so you got to revisit your leadership skills. What's going on way before you take the snap or in the huddle, right? If they're not listening and you're the leader, the quarterback, you've got a bigger problem. So I think that's a deeper issue around leadership, and it's a longer term issue about, sometimes it can be the environment, meaning the team might, not be the best fit as well. But that's something you're going to need to explore, with your sports psychologist for sure. Cool.
Hey, Dr. Brett.
Hey, Ashley.
So I just met a quarterback, and he gets the yips when he's in the pocket. How do we tell him to stay calm under pressure?
Okay, well, we don't, anybody can say stay calm under pressure, right? The process is about teaching the calmness off the field or on the field and vice versa. Learning how to train your mind and learning how to stay calm everywhere, in every situation. As he learns to stay more present, more patient, and more poised everywhere, eventually it'll translate into the pocket. How do you do that? You train your mind. How do you do that? Meditation, mindfulness, visualization, breath work, positive self-talk, and what I call enhanced communication skills, getting tougher, communicating your truth, living your truth, not avoiding it. Makes you tougher everywhere. And then you step in that pocket and you're just more present, more patient, and more poised. And you only have 2.6 seconds, but it works.
Hey, Dr. Brett.
Hey, Ashley.
How do base runners, how are they able to maintain focus stealing the bases?
Stealing the bases. That's funny. No one ever asked me that question. But someone, one of the baseball players I coached the other day, he went 0 for 5, and I said to him, don't ever let that happen again. I'm like, choke up like you have 2 strikes if you feel off in the batter's box, and then, you'll get a blooper, or you'll get some kind of hit, or maybe you'll walk, right? And he said to me, he goes, it's funny you say that, because that's exactly what my hitting coach said. And I said to him, if 2 people, one without a technical background in baseball, says the exact same thing as your hitting coach, then you want to freaking listen here. So what we want to be doing in any sport, it doesn't matter what it is we want to be pivoting, making adjustments, not allowing ourselves to stay stuck. He was off, and so he did the same thing 5 times, and basically struck out 3 or 4 times and got out on a weak ground ball the other time. Not a good call, right? So again, I'm teaching athletes how to pivot off the field for on the field and vice versa. We're always making changes. We're becoming more flexible, more adaptive, more creative, and more resilient.